Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: matched thread and needle, clean bobbin, and steady light. Threading now, trim a fresh 12-18 length, wet the tip slightly to stiffen it, then pass it through the needle eye smoothly. Once threaded, pull 2/3 of thread through and align the spool so it feeds without twisting. Make sure to seat the thread in tension discs. This prevents uneven stitches and prepares you to run a test stitch immediately. You now adjust tension and thread path because improper tension causes loops or breakage. Loosen or tighten the upper tension in small increments, roughly 1/4 turns. Observe stitch formation on scrap fabric. Guide the thread through every guide and under the tension discs so it feeds evenly. A missed guide changes pressure and causes skipped stitches. Once the path and tension look balanced, run a 10-20 stitch test at embroidery speed to confirm stability and consistency before stitching your final design. You finish by securing thread and verifying stitch integrity. Trim the tail to about 1/4 and anchor with a short backstitch or a neat tie-off to prevent unraveling. Once done, run the design at normal speed and listen for tension or friction sounds. If you hear grinding, stop immediately and inspect the bobbin area. Make sure to replace the needle after extended use. If problems continue, clean lint from the bobbin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.